So we're back here at the Downs in downtown Northville, Michigan. This is a new development project. We've talked a lot about it on this channel. And in this video, we're going to tour this townhouse that's priced at $899,000 and show you a little bit about the bells and whistles, what comes with it. This one has a lot of unique features. And stay to the end because we're going to show you downtown Northville, the surrounding community, the Downs, as well as some of the other recent developments happening in this area so you can see if it's for you. Welcome back. My name is Matt Talbot. I will be your host today. And like I said in the intro, we're back in Northville, Michigan here at the Downs. This is a new development community in downtown Northville. It will probably be the last major development, in downtown Northville. There's no more land. And so this is a huge development here in Northville. We've talked a lot about it on this channel. And the reason why I want to start inside on this particular video is this unit is for sale currently at $899,000 and it comes fully furnished. So for a lot of folks that are looking for a second house or a third house or just really like the designer's work, this one you can buy today, depending on when you see this video, for $899,000, and it comes with all this beautiful furniture. It's staged immaculately and the design work is fantastic. So we want to show you a little bit about this house, give you the tour, show you some of the community. But before we get into that, where is Northville, Michigan? So if you're not from the area, Northville is in Wayne County. It borders Oakland County and is a really good central point, kind of between Detroit and Ann Arbor. You're 25-30 minutes to Detroit, you're 25-30 minutes to Ann Arbor. And a lot of people choose this community for several reasons. One is the downtown area. It's an old town, has a lot of cool features, restaurants, shopping, bars, all that good stuff. Lots of concerts and community involvement stuff and different events throughout the year. Then two is the schools. A great school district, really known for the schools here and the location. So we're gonna talk a little bit about the location. We're gonna show you the parks, a little bit about Hines Drive, what you get here in Northville. Before we get into that, we're gonna tour, like I said, this condo. This is the Buchanan model and it was the model. So this model is for sale. Fully furnished, $899,000. And as you can see, the furniture is beautiful and the design work is fantastic. So let's tour this, show you a little bit about the community. We'll keep going from there. So this is your entry level. You're right off Center Street and there's a beautiful wraparound porch. It wraps all the way around to the second door. It's kind of like rush hour right now, so the traffic's a little bit busy. But at night, if it's a cooler night, or if you want to do your morning coffee, the sunrise is this direction, you can do that and you get that wraparound porch because this is a corner unit. So the first thing that comes to mind for me when I walk in here is you have your double windows and a lot of natural light. So glass front door, 3 big windows here, another door wall to the left. And so because of that, you get a lot of natural light in this unit. You can see the wider plank floor throughout. And again, you have this big, great open space. So your living space, your great room over here, because it's the model, you get a lot of finishes you wouldn't typically get, including the fireplace, nice tile work here, the built-in TV, and like I said, all the furniture comes with this unit. What happens when you have this city living? What does everyone do? They gather to the kitchen. You might as well have it all in one space, and they did a fantastic job with that. So floor to ceiling cabinetry here, you have your gas range in a really good size island with, again, cabinetry throughout. So floor to ceiling, you got built-ins here, cabinetry obviously throughout the entire kitchen, all the way around. Leaves for a lot of storage where you can hide all your stuff with this open floor plan. I love this table with the bench. Like, come on, this is like the coolest setup. You could fit, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, I mean, easily 10 people at this table and have plenty of room for entertaining. And I think that it's designed immaculately with this built-in. Actually, we kind of have a nook like this at my house. I've been thinking about doing a bench setup as well too, because I think it just gives a better use of the space in my opinion. But everything you see comes with the house. And I think there's some other really cool bells and whistles of this property. So you can actually have a third door where you can walk out the back here and cut through downtown the back way if you'd like. There's some walking, that's your driveway off the back, and you get this built-in mudroom as well too. So they have the built-ins all set up, additional trim. This is actually, this particular product actually helps with sound. So it's a sound insulation setup as well. Good size coat closet here if Mikey wants to pick in. There we go, poke in. And this is your 2-car garage right off the first floor. Good size garage. It's not too tight in here. Good size 2-car garage. Your utilities and electrical units are over to the left. Okay, so off the kitchen, where Mikey's walking backwards to, This is your pantry. Again, good built-ins, and I thought this is a cute feature. If you're a pet person, you're all set up. Your pet has their own bed, set up, tucked away. Again, they made good use of the space where they could here. First floor bathroom, half bath. Plantation shutters come with the unit. A lot of times when you're buying new construction, appliances, window treatments, like the plantation shutters here, a lot of updated fixtures don't always come with the unit, but because this is the model, it does come with it, which is a nice feature. So again, full circle, huge room, I think tons of natural light, and you can literally see, you're like a block from like bars, restaurants, everything. You literally see it. So you're right in the heart of downtown Northville. I mean, it doesn't get any better from a location perspective if you're looking for a downtown community here in Southeast Michigan. Oh, last but not least, of course, gonna be your wine fridge. All set up there. You got your wine over here. And I forgot, Mikey, this is one of the products I wanted to show. So I think all models, correct me if I'm wrong, should come stocked. Like, I'm pretty sure if you buy it, the beers would come with it. Not entirely sure, but like pretty sure the beers come with it. I have a gripe with a lot of builders, actually a lot of homeowners. So the new rule in real estate should be stock the fridge, beers, if you're over 21 available, or wine for anyone that's showing the property. What do you guys think? Beers, wine? I think so. It's a good sign. So we'll jump upstairs. Want to show you the upstairs, and then like I said, we'll give you a tour outside. Glass. So this is the landing at the top of the stairs. They have runners, hardwood throughout the stairs with the runner down, and then again, hardwood throughout this main area. Larger trim work down here, which I think gives a more formal feel. And again, because of the model, they've added a lot of bells and whistles, including additional accent stuff to the wall. I like this landing because it doesn't feel like claustrophobic. Sometimes townhouses, you get to the top of the stairs and it's kind of like everything's tight, there's weird hallways. It doesn't feel like that. Lots of natural light throughout. Utilities to the left, there's your furnace. All set up, second floor, easy access. Tough close, gotta tighten that maybe. And then this is your first bedroom. So again, built in, ready to go, bed set up, guest bedroom, tons of storage, built-ins in the closet, all comes with this unit. Like typically, most of these units don't always come with the built-ins. You wouldn't be able to do the stuff in the closet as well too. That'd be additional. Like actually I saw California closet was across the way. Someone was getting their closets installed. So like that stuff can get pricey quick, right? This bedroom is huge, good sized bedroom. And again, even a bigger master. So this bedroom is huge, good sized bedroom, carpet in here. So the two secondary rooms have carpet, and the primary on this floor has all of the hardwood as well too. Built-ins throughout, huge walk-in closet. I mean, this is as nice as you're gonna get in a townhouse. Linen closet to the left, decent size, storage there, double sink, tile throughout the shower, and again, very simple. And the bathroom, in my opinion, like this is timeless, right? It's all white. You got your quartz countertops. You get the idea. Okay, moving on. We got one piece that I'm gonna save the best for last. My favorite part of this is the primary, but full laundry room on the second floor here. So built-ins, full laundry room. You got your tankless water tank here as well too. Easy access, you have unlimited hot water, which you need in Michigan. Today you do not. I have the shorts on. I don't like to wear shorts on video. I think it looks kind of cheesy. That being said, I think the high is 95 today. I don't care. If you judge me for the shorts, you judge me for the shorts. It's too hot. I'm not doing it. I'm not sweating the whole video. Primary, best for last. I think this is like awesome primary. I like a very specific feature which I'm gonna talk about in a minute in this particular unit. So for me, there's a setup here that not all units have that I like. So step up ceiling, they even match the wood as well. So it matches the floor, kind of brings things together. And again, I think the designer did a fantastic job. Everything you see comes with the unit. I love buying a furnished unit. I think it's hard to kind of put things together. Some people don't. Some people want to, do the whole design thing. They're into that. My wife's a little bit more into that than me, but I mean, come on, this is like picture perfect, literally. So, okay, the feature that I love. So I think a lot of bedrooms, correct me if I'm wrong, put too much square footage in the actual bedroom For me, I would rather have the square footage in storage so I can tuck all my crap to the side. Like I just need a bed and maybe like a TV and like a dresser. Like I don't really need all the space in here. There's plenty of space, I'm not saying there's not, but I like this setup a lot more because when you bump this out, you end up with these massive walk-in closets. And so I would rather have all my stuff tucked away in my bedroom and have a little bit of a smaller space than have a smaller closet. And a huge bathroom. So like, I mean, this is like, there's a whole hallway to get to the toilet, Komodo here, then a massive shower. So good sized shower, again, townhouse feel. You're not gonna get a lot of tubs. You have a tub in the shared bathroom, but most people just want the shower in the primary in this type of unit. So good size vanity here, obviously double sink, built-ins, good size countertop, good height countertop, I should say, and trim work throughout. Again, simple, white, grays, very timeless feel in here with the way that they set the tile work up and the way that they set everything up in here as well too. So the primary I think is fantastic, huge walk-in closet, plenty of space in the main room there, but tons of natural light throughout. So hopefully you like this product. If you see this video, depending on when you're seeing this video, this might be available now at $899. Let us know. We've sold like 60 million in new construction over the last few years alone. We work with this type of product all the time. So maybe it's not Northville, maybe it's not here, maybe it's a different Toll Brothers builder, maybe it's a different location, maybe you're really anywhere throughout Southeast Michigan or throughout Michigan. We have great referrals throughout the state. So you could be looking in Traverse City. I have an awesome agent in Traverse City. One of my good friends is in the Grand Rapids marketplace. We can help you throughout the state, but if you're looking in Southeast Michigan, definitely let us know. We can show you some different products. I think this is a great one if you're looking for a townhouse at this price point in downtown Northville. Let's go outside and enjoy the weather. So actually a friend of mine, this is their home being built. The basement, as you can see, has just been poured. And so if you haven't done new construction before, it's a fun process. It's a little bit of a daunting process. Like it's not for the faint of heart. There's a lot of selections and things to do. So it can take some time. You have to have some patience, but it's also crazy rewarding and crazy fun. So for them, they get to see their basement pour. They're gonna see the home frame. They're gonna see things move along. On our team, when we take clients through those types of projects, what we do along the way is we actually have very robust checklists, okay? And so what do I mean by that? Each different phase, so when the basement's poured, when the framing goes up, when you're doing drywall, when you're doing mechanical inspections, when you're doing electrical inspections, when you're doing final walkthroughs, we have a checklist built out for our team. So we're looking at anywhere between 20 and 30 different checklist items at each phase to double check the builder's work. So Toll does a great job as the Toll Brothers build. However, you know, mistakes happen, things come up. There's things that we should pay attention to. It can be something small. Sometimes when you're framing, for instance, there's just like a couple pieces of the wood that just like is off center or not really done to our standard, right? And so still a construction site. So we try to make sure to monitor that along the way and do the best that we can to kind of have some checks and balances for our clients. And we've caught some things. We had a build, it wasn't this builder, it was a different builder, but we had a build a year or two ago. The window is in the completely wrong place. Instead of doing a brick siding, they did a different siding the client didn't want, and we caught those along the way before they were too far along where we couldn't undo the work. So we've learned through the years, selling literally hundreds of homes as far as new construction, like 60 million in new construction, of what to look for. And so we built out a robust checklist. Most agents, they don't do that. They show up to the sales meeting, they sign a contract, they see you at closing, and they let the builder do their thing. Again, the builders actually appreciate that because there's a different set of eyes on things, and we work very collaboratively. So we have very deep relationships with all the local builders because we take it seriously, and because of that, we sold a lot of new construction. So congrats to a friend of mine who's building behind here. That's great for them. I think it's gonna be an awesome house, killer location. They're doing one of the single families on site here, but that's a little bit about our process, and it's important to select an agent that works new construction that can take you through stuff like that along the way, because most don't. My name is Matt Talbot. This is the Living in Detroit channel. Thank you so much for checking out downtown Northville, the Downs. We're sitting in traffic here. There's something going on. So there's a beautiful park behind me. This is the clock tower. Like, this is right downtown. We'll show you some more B-roll and stuff like that, but I wanted to show you a little bit about Northville, what's happening here at the Downs. We're gonna do more videos. We have a few out on the Downs. There's gonna be a lot more, as well as the surrounding communities here in downtown Northville and the surrounding new builds and other construction. We saw a lot of homes in this area. So this is our bread and butter. Go Redefine Real Estate, one of the best brokerages on planet Earth. And if you're looking to move to town, let us know.